Yan, so dito kami sa McDonald's. Their favorite.
Tapos, ano na? Huwag na. Yan, Andrew share.
Adi sana nag-meal na lang kayo.
Oo nga.
Hindi ka pa nag-meal. Kasi ano lang. Share na lang sila.
Ako din.
Sige.
Ako na din. Ay, sandali. Wait lang.
Tapos na kayo, kami naman.
No, wait. Ba't one to na? Yeah.
Check natin mamaya.
Wait, Mom, may drinks.
Ba't may ano?
No, I want to.
Not today.
Ay, bakit ganun?
Iba mo.
Yung may order.
You may order.
Ba't ganun?
Can we suggest? Not today.
Where would you like to eat?
Eat in.
No, mamaya. Baka ano.
Oo nga, mamaya na lang.
Yung kay Andrew, isa pang iba. Eh, ba't hindi na lang dapat ang inano nyo?
Oo nga, nag-isa-isa ka pa.
Ulit na lang, ulit. Start over. Hindi na lang. Again.
Language. English.
Andrew, would you like burger? Oo, pareho kayo.
Cheeseburger na lang. Yan.
Yung walang ano.
Meal.
Meal.
Oh, lagyan mo salad.
Fries. Lagyan mo fries. Naka-happy eh. Orange juice? Mom, I want... Oh, milk. I want milk. Mom,
Milk?
we're different. Ano?
Oh, sige. I think mag-apple ka.
An apple milk. May toy?
Toy?
No toy.
No toy.
No toy. I want toy.
Oh, personalize mo yung cheeseburger. Okay. Anya doesn't want mustard. No ketchup. No onion. No pickles.
Pumpkin man.
Yun lang. Oh, make fries.
Rice one.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Add ano na lang. Oh, add the order.
Then I will put another one for Andrew.
Oh, go. Another one.
Meal. Fries. Andrew, milk ka?
Yeah, milk.
Milk?
Sige, yaman na siya. No toy. No toy. Personalize.
Mustard. No beef patty.
No. Because
How about grilled seasoning?
Okay na.
Stop. Grilled seasoning?
Safe na. Oh, add to order.
Ikaw na.
Ako na.
Ay, Andrew!
Baka chicken burger.
Try natin yung local nila. Teriyaki McBurger. Meal, yeah. I want
Nag-fries ka, hindi ka nag-nugget. Oh, yeah, Mom. Ganun
side salad,
Ako na na-order ako. You get one lang.
roasted sesame,
One piece? No! Ay, hindi.
Burger in ano? Burger in nuggets?
Hindi, pwede.
Wait, there's one
Instead of fries, pwede yung nuggets tayo.
I'm hungry now.
let's try
Milk.
iced latte.
Yeah.
Medium na. Okay. Kaya naman.
Sorry.
There's two burger din.
Lemon tartar ako. Ito? Ay, masarap. Masarap? Chicken? Chicken fillet. Ito? Chicken fillet. Spicy. Ito? Ito? Si Mama, ito.
Anya, you get ano na? Get seat na. For 5.
Oo nga.
bang ice cream?
Ano yun?
Lemon.
QOO. Cool.
Or yung Fanta? Fanta? Drink? Drink? Okay na. Chicken fillet. Milk?
Sabi na ako,
Ito? Then,
Oh.
sobo cheese, teriyaki, chili.
Anya, get seat na. 5.
Pwede na rin ako mag-chip. Tapos natin.
ano na?
Barbecue.
Drinks ko ay...
Wait, I can see it.
Alis ka dyan, Anya. Anya, alis ka dyan.
Why?
Kasi namimili ako.
Anya, get a seat na.
Oo. Kasi meron siyang ano, kay Anya.
Strawberry shake, masarap yan.
Ano lang ako. Oo.
Hmm.
Jumbo.
Card payment mo na para mabilis.
Hindi na daw eh. Ay,
Ha?
wala na.
Mom!
Wala
Para
na.
hindi tayo pipila.
Opo, dyan na.
I-swipe mo na lang to.
Right? Ito.
Swipe mo na para hindi tayo pipila. Ayun o, pipila pa.
Ha?
Yung card, di ba ganyan ko? Ayan o. Hmm. O, i-bill out mo muna. Masa na?
Ano?
Oh, view my order. What to do? Eat in. Double check.
Check mo.
Correct?
Ba't happy check yun?
Okay na. Okay. Complete order. Complete order muna. Excited?
Mom, can I stop?
Table service na lang? Or pick up? Sige, table service.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Credit card.
Credit card.
On payment device. Yan. Sige. Huwag mo tanggalin. Accepted. Oh. Get it. Okay. Anya. Drew, review the food here in McDonald's Japan. Anya, review the food here in McDonald's Japan, ha? Ano mo gamas? One by one, ha? Okay, let's wait for the order. Can you get the receipt? Where's the receipt?
This is a receipt.
Okay, show me the receipt. What did we order? Okay, let's wait. Number 2293. What's the number now?
But it's not inside.
It's preparing. There.
I fart.
Waiting. Dito kami. Sakay. It's so plenty, kaya matagal. Ano ba in-order mo? Cheeseburger? Oh, show it to them, ha?
Rice, apple juice,
How about true?
cheeseburger, fries, milk.
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 Okay, let's get. Okay, hindi na nakahintay. So what's that? Cheeseburger. Can you show us inside the cheeseburger?
Don't
Fries? Okay, how about you? How about you, Drew? Can you open your cheeseburger? Open. Can you show me what's inside? Hambagane. Ah, Yogo-san. Taberu hamburger. Oh, what's the difference? Philippine McDo and Japanese McDonald. Anya, ikaw. What's the difference? Huh? No difference? What? Ikaw, Anya. What's the difference?
The cheese is melted in Philippines.
It's not?
Here it's melted in Philippines.
How about the fries? Same lang? How about your juice?
In Philippines, they don't have this. They have that. No,
How about Drew?
that's not the best.
Drew, milk. Ako I got teriyaki burger, coffee from Mama Abby, chicken fillet. Okay, happy eating. Okay, clean as you go.
Wave your hand and say hello to the sky so blue. Kiss and hug, give love one more time. Promise to dream of all the
Huh?
fun.
What's that, paper or plastic?
Close your
Yep.
eyes and make a wish for tomorrow
toilet.
to bring even more of this. Safe and sound
Kinuha pa yun.
that you'll be counting sheep until you're fast asleep. Moon and stars will watch over you, whispering sweet dreams as they shine so
Give me shake?
true.
They have?
Bye,
Can you
bye
order?
now until we meet again in the morning with love and laughter all day long.